Autoflight is not just another name in the sphere of EVTOLs. This company is now targeting to launch its first commercial air taxi service in 2025, after it gets the Prosperity 1 air taxi certified and allowed to complete passenger flights. Let's have a quick look at what Autoflight actually offers and try to see whether this is the future Tesla of the skies. The final version of the Autoflight Prosperity is yet to be shown in the nearest future, but we still know quite a lot to share with you. First of all, this electric vertical takeoff vehicle is going to transport a maximum of 4 passengers in a cozy cabin. The overall maximum takeoff weight is 1,500 kilograms, which is really a lot for such a project. The claimed maximum speed is 200 kilometers per hour, or about 125 miles per hour. It's not a lot for aviation, but we are talking about the urban taxi project. Can you imagine a modern-day taxi or an Uber car rushing through the city at the speed of 125 miles per hour? One of the most interesting things about the Autoflight Prosperity is its range. It can take you to a maximum of 250 kilometers or 155 miles, which is absolutely enough, even for intercity flights. For Europe, where the distance between cities is not that huge, such aircraft could easily be used instead of small planes. The Autoflight is fully electric, it's sustainable and clean, fast and affordable. The manufacturer claims that the Prosperity is going to be all-weather capable. It will be certified as a regional aircraft with all the standards that are used for regional planes. So, it will be able to operate in northern parts of the continent, as well as in regions with a high probability of rainfalls and with low visibility. The powertrain of the vehicle consists of 8 lifting propellers and 1 cruising propeller. The aircraft has wings, so it can cruise long distances without spending a lot of energy. The powertrain relies exclusively on electric energy, which makes the vehicle very economical in terms of operational costs. You don't need expensive aviation fuel to power its propellers. The headquarters of the company is in China, but the main market is in Europe. It's been claimed that the company wants to establish an air taxi service in Europe, mainly in Munich, up until 2025. Also, Autoflight has 2 cargo drones in their lineup that are both capable of cruising to 150 miles, with 20 to 100 kilograms payload. But the Prosperity 1 is the most interesting project that enters the hot market of passenger eVTOLs and adds to the severe competition in the sphere. We hope to see the certificate in Europe soon, and this will be a huge boost for the company. Also, we believe Autoflight is going to be one of the most successful businesses in the niche, because they have already shown test flights of real-scale models and are ready to go through certification, while other companies are just feeding us with projects and searching for budgeting sources. Maybe in 3 years' time, we'll be able to move around cities by air, avoiding traffic jams, crashes, and harmful emissions.